Hi, today in front of me Infinix Hot 20i and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box and now let's check. This is the warranty card, the quick start guide and the safety guide, I think. The next thing, this is the protective case in clear color. Also we can find here the SIM eject tool, the charger brick, original one, Infinix charger, original charger, and the micro USB cable. So that's it, that's all of the accessories with which our device comes by default. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.